Since this is semester 2 of this course, I am going to plan on a weekly basis, give you some extra exam practice in the form of multiple choice and free response questions. So I'm going to go into the course and to the announcement page, and I'm going to show you where this will be available and walk you through a little bit of information. So you can see here the home page of my announcement page. It's starting to look kind of busy, but this is where I'm hoping to put reference information for you. So what I added was up here in the upper left corner. It says AP Multiple Choice and Free Response Exam Review. So if you click on it, it's going to take you to a Google Doc. And this is where I plan on providing you with information on a week-by-week basis. Of course, I reserve the right to skip a week if something has come up. But to begin, I just want to show you a place where you can find a couple links that are going to be pretty useful. So first of all, the College Board, which administers the official AP exam in May, there's a homepage for AP Computer Science. So if you click on that link, that'll take you there. I highly recommend it that you check this site out. There's all kinds of great stuff here. First of all, I want to click on this link, the Java subset, and this PDF file will open. In here gives a brief overview of all the language features and testable topics that there are on the AP exam. This is a great place to go, especially right before the exam, to see everything that you need to know. If you go back to my document, and so I'm going to go back to that site. There's a course overview which goes through and a course description that will tell you all kinds of interesting things about the course. The subset is in there as well. This is a really long document, but if you scroll through here, you're going to find topic outline, some general overview of the course, and what is covered on the exam by classification. And if you keep going in here, about page 19 are some extra practice multiple choice questions. There's not many of them. These ones are pretty tough, relatively speaking. And once you get through all those questions, they provide you with an answer key. This is longer than a little longer than I remember, but there's also some sample free response questions that you can do, and then at the very end there'll be an answer key for you. So I'm just continuing to scroll, and hopefully that is not, hopefully that's not making you seasick. What? Okay. And I'm sorry I'm going through that quickly. There's just some things in here that I'm looking for. All right, so back to where we were. Now, one thing that the College Board does for you is it provides you with past year's free response questions, and it also provides you with rubrics and correct answers. So if you go to the second link and scroll down, for example, you'll see not only the free response questions from last year, but also the scoring guidelines that were used. So you can click on that link, and these are the actual questions that were given. And then also what they provide you are a rubric showing you how the points were distributed All free response questions are worth 9 points, and there are 4 of them. And then there is a detailed rubric that tells you how the point was earned and what will not earn the point. And then also an example coded solution. Just bear in mind that not there are many ways to fulfill a programming task. And if your code doesn't look exactly like this solution, it doesn't mean you're not going to get the points. So try not to worry about that. Now, as you can see, this week I plan on doing the 2018 free response question number 1. So this table, which is still a work in progress, I'm going to list the week, which free response I'm going to do. I'll provide a link to the video free response solution. Then I'll also do some multiple choice questions from one of many practice exams that I have. So this week I'm going to do practice exam number 1, questions 1 through 10. So if I click on this, this is merged practice exam number 1 and number 2 actually. And I'll do the first 10 questions. I will also provide a video solution, and then I'm going to be providing also here, I'm going to be providing the multiple choice solutions. Let me fix that. And that'll be in the form of a PDF. And this will come from the actual book. This will be a PDF file. So that's a little explanation of what I'm going to provide for you. And in the next videos, I'll actually do the multiple choice solution and then the free response. Thanks.